students, today the pattern 6, that is some more patterns of square numbers we will study. Okay, so this is the pattern, that is the number, only the number and digit are 1, that is 1 square, 11 square, 111 square, then 1111 square. Okay, in this way you can increasing the number of 1 square. Okay, so the pattern is in this way. Okay, you have to understand this pattern. Okay, so 1 square is 1, then square of 11 is how much? That is 121. It can be written in this form. The middle digit is written in the below the 1, and the right hand side is 1, and the left hand side is 1. Okay, so how can we find the square of 111 and 1111 and so on? Okay, so how can we write this square with no multiplication? Okay, we cannot multiply, but still we have write the square of 111 square. Okay, so here is 1 and here is also 1. Okay, so here is 1 and here is also 1. So the number of 1 is 3. Here the number of 1 is 3. So you can increase the number from 1 to these numbers, that is 3. It means this is 1 and 1, this is the 111. So in place of 1, that is 1, that is increasing means 2, then increasing means 3. That is increasing till 3 because the number is a 3-digit number. So 1, 2, 3. If 1 and 1, consider this number. Okay, so here the number of 1 is 4. So I can write 1, 2, 3 and 4 because the number of 1 is 4. That is 1, 1, 1 and 1. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. When the number increases, when the 1 increases, then the 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, it is increases. Okay, so in this way we can increase the number. Then after 3 or 4, then we can decrease the number. That is 3, then 2, then 1. Because it is limited to 3. Then after 3, the less number is 2. Then after 2, the less number is 1. Okay, in this way you can also write the square of 1111. Okay, so in the both side 1 is there. It is in this way. See, in this way. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 because there are 4 number of 1. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Then after 4, the less than 1 number is, that is 3. Then the less one is 2. Then less one is 1. Yes or no? So in this way, you can write also the square of number, the 5, 1 square. Okay, this square. That is written as 1 because in this way, this is triangular. Okay, that is 1. So 2, 3, 4, 5. The number of 1 is the number of increasing. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because the number is 5, 1. Number of 1 is 5. So it is limited to 5. Then it decreases. That is 4, 3, 2 and 1 in this way. Okay, so this is a pattern of the number having only ones. Okay, only ones. Okay, in this way you can calculate any number. In this way you can calculate the number square of this number also in this way. Okay, let us consider the number 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. This square we have to write. So without remembering the pattern, how can we recognize 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8? So the number of 1 is 8. So starting from 1, we can write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then this is decreases, that is 7 6 5 4 3 2 and 1. This is your square. This is your square of this number. Okay, you can check it by multiplying number of 8 ones with the 8 ones. That is, this number is multiplied twice and you will find this answer. You will definitely find this answer. Okay, in this way it is another pattern of square number. Okay, then one another pattern is given in your textbook, that is 7 square is 49, then 67 square is 444 4489, 667 square, that is 444889. Okay, how this pattern is organized? Anyways, how this it is organized? It is organized in this way. See, that is 49. Okay, so the number of sixes added, okay, there is no 6, so the number is 1. There is no 6, the number of 6 is 0, so 1 4 is added. If the 6 is 1, the number of 6 is 1, then what is the 4? That is 2. Then the 6 is 2, that is, the number of 4 is 3. Okay, by increasing the number of 6, the 4 will be increasing. In this way, 8 is also increasing. See, here 8, the number of 8 is 1. Yes or no? Here the number of 8 is 2. Then the number of 8 becomes 3. In this way, and 4 and 9 are constant. In the corner side, 4 and 9. Okay, so that is square of 7, that is 49. Square of 67, that is 4489. Because, and see, the number of 4 is the twice of number of 8. Okay, the number of 4 is the twice of number of 8. Sorry, not twice. In this way, that is 0. If there is no 6, there is 1 4. There is 1 6, there is 1 2 4. Okay, in this way, not the twice. Because when we write this, later you can also understand this. Then square of 667, that is 444889. Then square of 6667, that is 444888 and 9. Okay, then square of 66,667. Okay, then you will write 5 4s, 4 8s and 1 9. That is okay. See, the number of 8 is less than number of 4. It is always the number of 8 is less than. If the number of 4 is 2, then what is the number of 8? 1. The number of 4 is 3, then the number of 8 is 2. Okay, just 1 less than the number of 4s. Then we can add it in this way. Okay, increasing the 6 and you can find the number. Okay, this is another pattern. Okay, so in this way you can find another number, that is square, that is 4 4 4 4 4 4 8 8 8 8 8 and 9. Okay, How can you can remember that without the remembering the pattern? How can you find? See, if the number of 6 is 1, then what is the number of 4? That is 2. Just increasing 1. If the if the number of 6 is 2, then the number of 4 is 3, and the number of 8 is same as the. Just remember this pattern, that 4 and 8 are come. 4 and 8 are come. Only you can remember this, and the 4 and 8 are come in this way, that the number of 6 is same as the number of 8. Here, see, here the number of 6 is 1, also the 8, 1, 1, 8. Here the number of 6 is 2, here the number of 8 is 2, but the number of 4 is 3. That is, 4 is 1 more than the number of 6, and the 8 is same as the number of 6. In this way, you can remember it. Okay. Then in next class, we will discuss the exercise, first exercise of squares and square roots. Okay. So before going to discuss this topic, you will very consciously see the total patterns, all the patterns of square numbers, properties of square numbers. Okay. And you have main important is you have to remember the squares. Okay, you have to remember all the squares, that is 1 to 30. Minimum 1 to 30 squares are remembered. Okay. So see you in the next class. Thank you.